Hello guys, welcome back. This is Aiden from TinyBoard. Thanks for your support for Tiny. And we have prepared 5 new boards in this year, and we will release it one by one in the middle of the year. We hope you like it. And before that, we will introduce a new Tiny Observer Kit to you. Because many customers said they want to use the big pneumatic wheels on their Tiny Mini 2, so we make it. And today we will show you how to swap the wheels, and then we will test the performance and the range outdoors. Okay, let's show you how to swap it. And now it's finished, and it looks pretty good. And you don't need to worry about the wheel beat, because there's no wheel beat. And you get a very portable and comfortable short board. Okay, now let's test it outside. After we swapped the wheels of the board, and it can stand it by itself. Yeah, that looks interesting. And okay, now we will test the kicktail. I find it will be difficult to use the kicktail, but you can still do that. Okay. When you use the kicktail. Yeah. It's not very easy, but you can still do that. Okay, now we will test the performance and the range. And first, we test the acceleration. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In front of us, there is a hill. The hill is not steep, but we can still feel the torque. Okay, now it's downhill. After the downhill, we will climb the uphill. Yeah, you can see when there is a crack on the road, and we don't need to worry about it, just ignore it, because the pneumatic wheels can absorb the vibrations, and it's very comfortable when we ride it. Okay, now we are climbing the hill. We can find it's easy for us to climb the hill. Actually, we didn't feel the reduce of the torque because even though the wheels is bigger, but we also increase the driver ratio. So the torque is very similar with the street wheels. Okay, now let's test the braking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. Test it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, we find it's easy to brake because the grip of the pneumatic wheels is very good. So when we brake, we can feel it has more grip than the street wheels. And when we ride it, because the wheels is bigger, so we feel it's more stable than the street wheels when we ride it at a high speed. So you will feel more confident at high speed. Okay, now let's show you how to turn the direction. And now we don't use the kicktail, just use the track to turn the direction. Okay. Yeah, it's super easy. And now, and today we will do a full range test. So we will ride the battery totally empty, and then we will tell you the result. It's very fun and it's very comfortable. Okay, now the battery is empty and I get about 90 kilometers range. It's shorter than the street wheels, but it's still enough for daily use. So this board is for those who want a very comfortable riding experience, or those who need to ride the board on the poor condition roads. It's portable and fun, and it's easy to carry and easy to ride. So this is our off-road kit. We hope you like it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.